Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see two different designs in Handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. So all these sarees are double wrap sarees, our own manufacturing looms. So please do watch this video fully for all these beautiful colors and designs. We have two different designs. One is a Rangoli design which is hit in our collection. We have 6 different colors in this. And the other one is a creeper design. We have 3 different colors in that. That is a self colored design. So we have 2 different designs which we are going to see in this video. Before that, if you are first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. So we will see all these sarees in detail. Please do check our YouTube channel. We are uploading fresh collections daily. All are our own manufacturing sarees. So please don't miss these collections. Now let's see each sarees in detail. This is the first saree, a beautiful rich pallu in gold cherry, and all over the saree you have a beautiful Rangoli design in gold and silver cherry woven alternatively. A violet with pink combination. This is the borderless design. You'll get a contrast blouse in pink color. This is the back side of the saree. As you can see, the puttas comes all over the saree. The next design is a creeper design, a rich pallu in silver jari work, and all over the saree you have a beautiful creeper design in gold and silver jari woven alternatively. You have a small piping border on both sides in silver jari, and you will get a plain blouse. This design is a self color. It's a kind of peacock blue color. As you can see, the creeper design comes all over the saree. The next is a grey with brown combination, a Rangoli design with both sides tissue border. So all these are double wrap sarees, comes with a SILKMARK certified. If you want to book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us on the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. All these comes in a manufacturing price, so please don't miss these collections. To know the exact price of these sarees, you can text us on the WhatsApp. Next is a bottle green with grey combination, a Rangoli pattern with both sides tissue border. So both the design is a hit design in our collection, very fast moving collection. So please do book your saree if you want to book any of these colors. And next is a peachish orange creeper design, a self color. So we do have video call facility as well. You can contact us for video call facility and you can book your saree. Also, we are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well. So you can book it from anywhere. We are dispatching on the same day the payment is made. So you can book it from anywhere, so please don't wait it. And next is a wine with green combination, a borderless Rangoli pattern. A very beautiful color combination. So all these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified, a premium quality silk, comes with a manufacturing price. All these are soft silk sarees, very flexible to wear for all age groups. So the weight of these sarees will be around 500 grams, which is very lightweight sarees. And next is a lemon green with pink combination. So please do subscribe our channel so that you will get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections, as we are uploading fresh collections daily. So please don't miss these sarees. Also share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections and support us. A very beautiful lemon green combination. And next is a green with pink combination. This is the full saree. So we do have customization as well. You can give any color customization. We are doing many color customization for all our customers. So if you wanna do any color customization in the particular design, we do give that. And next is a black color in a creeper design. A very beautiful color. Full saree will get a black color. In that you have a silver jari pallu and a creeper design in silver and gold jari. So hope you like these collections. Please do book your favorite saree. Please do WhatsApp us. Thanks for watching this video.